Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad and welcome back to this series of Python for everyone. I'm super excited because we are almost towards the end of this course. In this one, what we'll study is called dictionary. Dictionary are simply unordered collection of items. In all the previous videos, you must have noticed that every time we are defining a variable, we're giving it a certain value. It could be a string, it could be a float number, or it could be just simply integers. If you're unsure what we're talking about, please refer back to the previous videos. In this one, let's just think about what a dictionary could be. Let's say you want to store some value and give it a key. Say, for this key or any value, give this value, and for key 2, give this value, for this, give this value, right? As simple as that. Well, there is an interesting way of doing this in Python. What we call is dictionary. Now, how does a dictionary start is, let's just give it a name first. Let's say important info. The dictionary always start with curly brackets, right? And the key is separated with a value by a semicolon like this and then a comma, and another key, 2 semicolon, a value, and a comma. That's how simply a dictionary is made. I can just, to make it more elaborative, dictionary format maybe, right? This is how you basically write a dictionary. Let's just start with something obvious. Let's just take an example of important info about, I don't know, since we have taken example from religion, so let's just say Islam, and I say um, the prophet, and it could be as simple as a string, a prophet. I can give it a name, and then say the name of that prophet, the last prophet, is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? It's just a name for the last prophet in religion of Islam if you're unsure, comma, right? Now your dictionary could be as straightforward as just one particular information, or it could be more as well. Say the religion, what does it call? And then you can use a semicolon to say it is Islam, another comma. And what about direction? We could say it is Mecca, which is the Qibla for Muslims, right? Do you see there is no sequence in there? And I'm just literally trying to write a key that would have certain value. And it doesn't necessarily have to be strings. It could be pillars in Islam, and I could say there are 5 pillars. Do you see, out of all the values, instead of giving a string, I have provided it with an integer value. And it could be as one as, let's say, what should we call it? I don't know. Imams, maybe alphabet. If you're English community, you don't know what it is. It's just names of certain terminologies in religion of Islam, and I can give it a list as well, saying Imam Ali, Imam Hassan, Imam Hussein, and baby Fatima, along with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this could be as simple as that. Now, did you notice that in my example there are strings, there are literally strings and integers, and there is even a list as a value as well. So if I kind of print this important info Islam, let's see what it prints. Ooh, what is that? It says invalid string. Oh, I'm missing a comma here. Sorry, guys. There you go. That's why I was worried why the color changes. There you go. Let's do it now. Oh, I'm missing something again. So that's my key. That's my value. Key value. Key value. key value. Oh, this one. Okay, that wasn't a good start, but let's see. There you go. So you literally have a key, which is Prophet, and you have a value, which is Prophet Muhammad. You have another key, religion, and so on and so forth. And even in this one, you have an integer as a value, or you have a whole list as a value. So dictionary can be very flexible. It is simply an unordered collection of items with different data types you could have. So it is very flexible with that. So let me just quickly repeat it. Any dictionary starts with curly brackets, ends with a curly bracket. It has a key, and separated by a semicolon, it has a value. Now that value could be simply strings, it could be an integer, or it could be a whole list as well. I hope this makes sense. Please pause the video and try to run or make a dictionary for yourself as well. Well done to those who have managed to do it. For those who are struggling, please place down the comment below and then we shall discuss it together and try to debug it. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and goodbye.